So let us find out the amplitude of all the frequency components. Also pay attention to VC. We can see that VC is equal to nothing but 10. So the carrier is present with the amplitude of VC equal to 10 volts. Now, if I want to write down amplitude of upper sideband and lower sideband, we have already done this before. Amplitude of a sideband is always of the form mVC by 2. Now, in this case, we have M1 and M2 separately. That means there are two modulation indices, one for FM1, one for FM2. So when I talk about amplitudes of FC plus FM1 and FC minus FM1, which are the upper and lower sideband for FM1, then I will use M1 in this expression. And when we find the amplitude for FC plus FM2 and FC minus FM2, we will use M2 because those are the sidebands for FM2 equal to 2000. So let's quickly also name them. This is my upper sideband 1 and this is upper sideband 2. To be precise, it's just a single frequency, so it should be called upper sideband frequency. This is lower sideband frequency number 1. This is LSB 2. So when I say amplitude of a sideband is MVC by 2, that means amplitude of USB 1 and LSB 1 will be exactly same. It will be M1 VC by 2. M1 is 0.5, VC is 10 divided by 2 will be equal to 5 by 2 or 2.5 volts. And similarly, amplitude of USB 2 and LSB 2 will be equal to M2 VC by 2, and M2 VC by 2 will be equal to 0.5 into 10 by 2 because M2 is equal to 0.5, so it's 0.5 into 10 by 2, and this further be exactly same. So amplitudes will be exactly same simply because they have given us the same M1 and M2 value. So each of this sideband frequencies will be of amplitude 2.5 volts. Let us now find out the values of the sideband frequencies. The values of the sideband frequencies will be FC plus FM1 will be equal to, FC value can be found again by comparison. Cos 2 pi FCT term will be compared with cos 20,000. So when you compare cos 2 pi FCT with cos 20,000, you can see that I can write down one more information here. So pi t is already there. 20,000 should be equal to twice of FC. So FC will be nothing but 10,000 or 10 kilohertz. So when I write down the frequency components, FC is 10K and FM1 was 1000. So it's 10K plus 1K, which is 11 kilohertz. Similarly, FC minus FM1 will be 10K minus 1K, which will be 9 kilohertz. And similarly, I can calculate FC plus FM2, which is 10K. FM2 is 2000, which is 2K, so that's 12 kilohertz. And FC minus FM2 will be 10K minus 2K, that will be 8 kilohertz. So if I want to mark all these frequency values, FC is 10K, FC plus FM1 is 11K, FC plus FM2 is 12K, FC minus FM1 is 9K, and FC minus FM2 is 8K. So that's complete frequency spectrum with frequency values and amplitudes of each and every frequency spectrum.